All right, so what you just saw was the unveiling of the Ninja Carrier series. Over the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to create a carrier that is friendly, efficient, but most importantly, smart. I'm going to show you how to create the geometry of the carrier. We're going to assign the connectors to that carrier, and then we're going to end up with a carrier that is super smart, and it just breaks into the pipe just like if it was a valve. Also, this carrier is going to be able to adjust the faceplate distance from the center line of the chase and the foot base distance from the connection plane. I ended up creating a single horizontal discharge carrier, a single horizontal with auxiliary inlet carrier, a back-to-back horizontal discharge carrier, a single vertical discharge carrier, and a back-to-back vertical discharge carrier. I'm also making the Ninja package containing all the previously mentioned carriers available at BIMitUp.com or by scanning the QR code that you see on screen right now. The first video is going to be released next week, and it's going to be free for a couple of weeks only for those who cannot afford it, because as you all know, I don't want money to be the reason why you cannot get developed. However, like I mentioned, it's going to be available only for a couple of weeks, then it's going to move to BIMitUp.com. So make sure that if you can't afford it, you wake up early next Saturday and then you're ready. Get ready for the creation of the Ninja Carrier, and I'll see you next week.